Good morning, everyone. So, ang question and answer portion natin today ay tungkol sa three investments you can start for as low as 5,000 pesos. Let's start sa number one, doon sa G-Funds. Sa GCash ninyo, na app, meron kayong makikita doon na G-Funds portion. Doon, meron kayong pwede pagpilian ng mutual funds na nag-vary sa risk appetite ninyo kung ano yung pwede nyo pag-investan. Pwede kayo mamili sa short-term money market funds na low risk and low return, or doon kayo sa more aggressive equity funds na higher potential return and higher risk. Ang second pwede niyong pag-investan ay ang retail treasury bonds. These are long-term loans na offered ng gobyerno na available sa mga retail banks gaya ng BPI or BDO. Dito sa investment na ito, ang kapital ninyo ay protected ng gobyerno. Kasi pinapautang nyo naman yung gobyerno rin. Tapos ang returns niya is fixed din, then may less tax, but still assured. So bonds can be short as 5 years and can go longer than 25 years. So medyo long-term investment ang retail treasury bonds. Then finally, you can reserve a house and lot unit for as low as 5,000 pesos. So, an investor can put on hold or reserve yung nagugustuhan niyang townhouse or bahay. In this case, ang 5,000 na yun is applicable for a townhouse in Baliwag, Bulacan. Then, after paying the reservation, you have a few days para isettle yung down payment or equity para doon sa dream home ninyo. So, that wraps up the short discussion. Kung gusto niyo ng financial consultation at gusto niyo magtanong tungkol sa real estate, please feel free to message me. Then, babalikan ko kayo. Thank you.